We have a right to be free, to be liberated. But to do that, it requires a study. It requires of learning what you don't know to be the better person that you can become. But we have to remove these boxes, these barriers. The guy that went to prison. Not everybody has to go to prison to be who I am. Not everybody has to go to Harvard to be who I am or be Malcolm, whatever, right? There's different paths, there's different routes. But here's the fundamental thing that is a common denominator, that we all face some form of oppression, right? But when we're vulnerable enough with each other, we can create, n- we can go through a collective healing process. Healing is one aspect of it, but then there's the aspect that now, your words earlier, to be activated. We can't continue to be afraid to confront the things that has hurt us, confront the things that have oppressed us. Like, we've been conditioned to say, I don't want to watch another slave movie. I don't want to watch such and such because of the trauma and the pain. Sorry. Only way you heal that is by confronting that, by embracing. Because here's the thing, slavery is not Black history. Slavery is American history. You know what is Black history? How we responded to it, our resistance, our resilience, our courage, our determination. And we only can get that by looking at the beast in the face. And that produces the healing, that produces the love. If I only look at my mother through the lens of a welfare mother, then I won't see the good in her. I won't see the ability for her to go in that kitchen when there's only so much in that kitchen. She cooks a gourmet meal. Be and the gourmet meal is a result of the love. My inability to recognize my father for his goodness would not allow me to accept him because I'm only looking at him as the young man that abandoned us. He wasn't finished. He continued to grow. And in his growth, when I needed him the most, it impacted me. But in forgiving my father, I forgave myself. I always get asked this question: what would I say to my younger self? First thing, I would hug my younger self. And I would say it was all right to be angry, to be more patient with my mother, to be more loving, more overstanding, to be more thoughtful in things. The potential was always there. The light got dim because of the anger, because of the frustration. When I thought the grass was greener on the other side, the grass is greener by cultivating the best person who we are and accepting who we are.